Can I share my little 2 cents about like how
Yes,
I
for the
perceive those 5 levels? One, the first level that's combative, win or lose, seems to be very much in alignment with the first chakra, which is the survival instincts.
yeah.
The second one, where you're kind of like saying yes, but you really mean no, that's your like your sexual organs, your
Mm,
creative space. And then the third level is like the third dimension, like where we've been, where we learn, okay, wait, I'm a separate identity. And who am I? This like self awareness journey. And then the fourth chakra, oh, well, also in the third, you can get lost in like doing too much, thinking that you're in control. Because
mm,
once you start
right.
identifying and you experience yourself as separate, it's like, I'm just going to isolate and get so much done.
Yes. Yeah,
So,
guilty.
that's where we've been, that whole 3D concept. And so once we move into the fourth, which is the bridge, so literally the bridge,
Mm,
what you were talking about, the heart being the bridge. It's the fourth. So that's where we come together through the heartstrings with our soul fractal family members. Like that's how we can really communicate like a mother tree through the roots of the
yes,
strings
yes.
from our heart, from the fourth chakra. And so, and then that bridge takes us into the fifth, which is your throat, where you all self expression can now be expressed, whether it's through your book, through song, through presence, like trees, they just stand in
Mhm.
it and they be and they
Mhm, yeah.
serve and they serve. They literally are serving
I
through their
do.
roots, through their leaves, like
Exactly.
they're giving us air, they're giving us shade. I mean, the creatures that they serve, the healing modalities that, and they just stand.
Yeah.
They're our example, right? Because they're still expressing through their fifth too, because they speak if you listen and they answer
Oh,
every
yeah.
question. Every question they will answer, every single question. So when I stand with trees and then I stand with humans, I'm able to see through the eye of nature, through the eye of God.
Yes.
And well, when I look at humans, meaning when I look at myself, okay, because everyone I look at is just me looking at myself. Whatever I perceive in
Mhm,
them is either something that's also great in me or something I need to work on, depending on how I perceive it.
mhm,
But it's
mhm. Yes.
all from,
How you look at something, exactly that's what also a premise of the book, like how you look at something will determine how you relate to it and how you dialogue with it.
yeah. And once you
That's
stand with
it.
trees, once you stand with a mother
Yeah.
tree and you realize that every single leaf is listening at the same time and responding I can talk to one leaf and then all of these will respond together with that with her. So it's as if, for me to think I'm separate is as if that leaf were to think it were separate from the next leaf. That's how
Yeah.
much the same we are. So if I'm looking sideways at another leaf, like I don't know why you look so crusty and brown, I might also, if we've been in the same sunshine, like, so I'm just saying, like, it's all a mirror for us. And I love the nourishing dialogues part because that's what trees do through their roots and through their leaves.